Good morning. Today I want to go over the portfolio and the sortability of the different columns so that you'll be able to choose different portfolios. So if we click on the portfolio tab, this will help you understand which models to follow. And let's go to fundamentals. It'll pull up a bunch of portfolios. Now these are going to be listed by the year-to-date return. So the highest year-to-date return will be there first. But what happens if I want to look at it alphabetically? Well, you click on it and it'll give you our first portfolio, which is accelerated EPS growth. All of these will be in the fundamental categories because we've already clicked on fundamentals. Current holdings will tell you the number of holdings within each portfolio. That number will be anywhere from 0 to 15. You can also click on this so you can see the lowest number of holdings we have right now is against the grain, and our highest number right now is ultra growth. Current cash position will show you our lowest and highest cash positions. Again, everything is sortable, so you just click on it and it'll show you institutional ownership currently has 30% in cash. Year-to-date returns, that's our default. So against the grain has actually lost 15% this year, while operating margins and top-line prowess have both made up 49%. Same thing with one-year return. You can click on it, it'll sort it. 5-year return, annualized return, and return since inception. Annualized return might be a good one so you understand what has performed well over the last 15 years on an annualized basis. So income stocks, this is good actually. Income stocks shows 9.3%. Our returns do not include dividends. Your portfolio will include dividends and should outperform this because of that. It just has to do with our data provider that doesn't do dividends. The highest annualized return growth is against the grain and those stocks. So hopefully you understand the sortability and the ability to choose the portfolios that you want to follow, and that'll make a lot more sense to you. Have a great day. Happy trading. Now let's go make some money. Take care. Bye-bye.